Residents in Sweetland, Manchester are this evening complaining about a dust nuisance which they say is making their lives miserable. TVJ's VASHAN has their story.
The residents showed us the water in these drums as evidence of a dust nuisance that has been causing headache. NEVILLE Stewardson says it's all because of nearby mining activities by Jamaica. He says rainwater harvesting is a big thing in Manchester, but his roof is covered in dirt.
When the rain fall now, everything fall into the drum.
Wash off in the drum.
Wash off in the drum. You see, all the dirt, all the water up there wash off in the drum. And when me come on and looking at the drum, me say, no, them things you're not supposed to work. Everything off it over, sir. When you're looking at a bucket, it coming like at the living Bauxite dirt.
Some residents say they've been experiencing the problem since last year. For other residents like Donna Allen, it was in April this year that the problem started when she woke up and saw 2 buckets full of dirty water.
And I said, don't know what the water come, how the water dirty so. And I take my phone and I call my neighbor and I ask me if the water don't have here dirty. He say, yes, me see dirty, you know, and me wash out and dash away. For me don't know how we dirty so. Me say, no, but something not right. Me I go find out something for me nothing in. The water could have just get up and dirty when I first me see it. When me take a start and me start to inquire the district people them around the Sweetland, so I told them, say, they sit for them water dirty.
Water is not the only worry. People with respiratory illnesses like asthma are also on edge.
I did asthmatic, but it wasn't troubling me. Just through the dust, I can't. Me just walk from here so go so. I have the asthma attack. I have to walk with the pump in my pocket. We just get a little ease from the dust.
Well, the wind that them every day they dirty up, you know. And as you can see that one day, see almost mud the pan and the water. Once it up in, you see it.
TVJ News sought a response from Jamaica, but we were told that the company is unaware of the problem, so is therefore unable to respond at this time. VASHAN, TVJ News.